What you think, Oliver? Hmm? What you think about the snow? What you think, Ollie dog? Hmm? Huh, Oliver? What do you think? Didn't think it was supposed to stick much, huh? So I said it wasn't gonna stick. Wanna go inside? Come on, bud. It's only about 9 degrees out this morning. Come on, Ollie. Let's go inside, huh? He's like, no, I want to play in the snow some more. I think you like it, huh? You like the snow? Seemed like digging in it. What are you doing? You hear other doggies barking? Hey, Ollie, watch me. Oliver, Oliver, come here. Come here. Watch me, buddy. Snow face. Little snow beast. Come on, let's go inside and get you some breakfast. Let's go eat. Come on, we can come back out and play in a minute.